Excite Credit Union has a rich history of serving our community with passion and purpose. Join us as we celebrate our journey and the impact we've made together.
Excite started in 1952. We started as a small credit union with a group of General Electric employees that wanted to pool their funds together to be able to grant loans and support one another. And it really has grown over the last decades to support the community, but really at its heart, it's been about helping support people.
So if you go back in time and look at why credit unions exist, they were actually formed to serve people of modest means. That was the original foundation. And over time, it just seems like the right thing to do to actually continue that heritage with what we're doing today.
When someone joins the credit union, they really become part of the family. We want them to have the best experience possible. We want to have a conversation and see what they actually need and provide recommendations that can help them accomplish their goals.
Unlike the monster mega bank, which is a four-letter word, and calling a call center or needing assistance or help from somebody, I didn't know what country I would get on the other end of the line. And here it's people that live in my neighborhood. That means something to us.
Excite Credit Union make sure that they're in the community, they're present in the community, and as a local small business owner myself, that's very important to me. I love doing business with someone else that values the community as well as I do.
As a community development financial institution, we lend over 60% of our loan dollars out to those that are in underserved communities. That's meaningful, that's impactful.
Some people may not have access to understanding how finance works. So Excite is very committed to providing access to information, people in the organization that can enable those folks to prosper.
I think it's good that Excite provides free financial services to members because a lot of the items that we will use in everyday life is not taught in schools or high school. So by providing this service, the credit union is helping the members, and then they will achieve a better financial life.
Excite Credit Union has a one-on-one for those that don't understand, and the many options that they give you wherever stage of life that you're at.
I'm just so proud of Excite that they have gone out of their way to make sure that people have access to a bank where they normally wouldn't. Reaching out to that community that's underserved, I think just says a lot about the credit union and what they do for everybody else.
We have a mobile branch that deploys. It goes out to different areas of the town. It even goes to different counties.
I get to make a difference in people's lives every day, whether it be a home debt consolidation loan or put them in their first house. It's always a thrill to me just to be able to help someone. The mission of Excite is treating members like neighbors and not numbers.
We interact with a lot of small businesses day in and day out. I've had many conversations with those small businesses about choosing Excite when they have a banking need. And I don't hesitate to do it just because I know that Excite will service those partners in the best way they possibly can.
Excite's commitment is who we are. It's the foundation of why we exist as an organization. We're committed to making sure that it's not just a transaction. It is a long-term legacy that we're trying to leave on the impact of the member's life.
I see members, they've been here like when they are small, when they are young, the parents would have opened the account, and those members are still with us. It's like one big happy family. So I do see members who are with us for 20 years, 30 years, they're still with us. So we are doing something good.
I recommend Excite Credit Union to anyone who's looking for an organization that deeply cares about their personal success. We find ways to solve problems, to create solutions, and to help our community members.
Excite, the community's credit union. Together, we've built more than a credit union. We've built a community.